Hi, I'm Jay from SEK Surebond, and today we're going to talk about how to remove grease and oil stains caused by food and petroleum products. Before cleaning your surface overall, look for any grease and oil stains that require special attention. Surebond's oil extractor dissolves, encapsulates, and removes petroleum and food-based oil stains. It is a ready-to-use biodegradable cleaner that breaks down quickly in soil. Before you begin, check that the weather forecast and site conditions fall within the application guidelines found on the label or tech data sheet. Remove any furniture and cover plants that you wish to protect. For successful results, start with a dry surface. You will need a mixing cup or pail, medium scrub brush, POULTICE materials such as clean white rags or paper towels with no printing, and pressure washer. It is very important to agitate the cleaner by stirring or shaking it just before use. Pour the cleaner directly on the oil stain so that it extends 1/2 to 1 inch past the visible stain. Brush if necessary to evenly distribute the cleaner. To keep the cleaner wet while it dwells, make a poultice. Place enough clean white rags or towels in your mixing container to cover your stain. Add cleaner to saturate the poultice material. Apply the poultice material so that it completely covers the stain. Let dwell for 30 minutes. Then, pick up a corner of the poultice material and examine it. You should see oil visible on the bottom of the poultice material. If the cleaner is drying out or getting pasty, apply a small amount of cleaner to the stain. Next, agitate with a stiff bristle brush to further break down the stain. Turn the poultice material over and reapply it to cover the stain. Let the poultice material dwell for an additional 15 to 30 minutes. Then, remove and discard the poultice material. Rinse thoroughly with a pressure washer. A hot water pressure washer will assist with rinsing and removing tough stains. Take care not to use excessive high pressure, which can damage the substrate. Let the surface dry to view final results. If the oil stain is still visible, you may need to clean again. SEK Surebond products are professional grade and field proven for over 30 years. We offer technical support and training, which is critical to your success with surface restoration. For more product information and additional videos, visit us online at sek.us.com.